Hello kids, welcome to savitaphawadeacademy. This is our English lecture, a holistic approach to the English language, class 3rd cbse board. Kids, today we start our 10th one chapter. Tell me what is a drone. Kids, all you know drone? See, like this. Okay, let's read. Okay, have you ever met a drone? Sometimes it has many wings. A drone is not a dragonfly. It flies from one rope to another. A drone is not a bird. It has a pouch to carry. Pouch like kangaroo have a pouch. Kangaroo carry its baby inside. Okay. It has a pouch to carry things in. A drone is not a kangaroo. It can detect Seema's house by the sea and Iqbal's house in the city. A drone is not a spy. It delivers parcels in 30 minutes. A drone is not a postman. Then, what is a drone? A drone is a clever machine. It flies, it finds addresses, it takes photographs from up above. It carries parcels from one place to another. Right now, drones are busy learning their jobs. Sometimes they make mistakes. They crash into buildings. They fall from the sky. But there are rules that stop them from flying everywhere. One day, drone will crisscross the skies. They will rush and deliver medicine to village in the hills. They will count tigers in forest and help protect them. They will photograph hidden corners of our planet. Okay. See. Where is Seema's house? Where is Seema's house? Let's come. We find here. By the sea. Okay. Next, what are the drones learning? Drones are busy learning their jobs. And next, how is a drone different from a dragonfly? See, how is a drone different from a dragonfly? Dragonfly is a bird and drone is a machine. Okay, see, sometimes has many wings. A drone is not a dragonfly. Okay, it flies and same both them. Dragonfly also can fly and drone can fly. Okay, that one a same thing between them and different. Dragonfly is a bird and drone is a machine. Okay. And dragonfly detect anyone's house, okay, doing work, different type work, jobs. For example, given medicines and parcels, and dragonfly only fly. Okay, not doing any work. Okay, that one different. See, detect means find, crisscross means from a pattern of a lines, and rush means hurry. Okay, hidden means not visible. Next one page showing. One day drones will carry biryani from a restaurant. Dragonfly can carry biryani? No, because it's a bird, and drone is a machine and dragonfly is a bird, insect. Okay, let's come. Drones will carry books from the library to Iqbal's house. Means which work drone can do? Drone can carry biryani, means any food. Okay, and drones can carry books, parcels. Okay, next, drones will fly with the birds outside your window, and drones can fly like dragonfly. Okay, outside your window. Maybe someday soon you will meet a drone. Yes, it's a future. Maybe you can meet drone. Okay, Shabnam Minwala. This one author. Okay, let's come post reading. Answer these questions. First one, why is a drone not considered a postman? Actually, drone is a machine and postman that one a person. Postman have emotions. Drone is it's a machine. Okay. Drone always learn different type jobs and doing mistakes. Okay. And postman not doing any mistakes. Postman delivered parcel, letters, money orders hand to hand. Okay, means how we write down our answer. A drone is not considered a postman. Okay, a drone is not considered a postman. We take little bit part from question in answer. Because in addition to delivering parcels, a drone does other jobs as well, and a postman on the other hand only delivers letters and parcels. Okay, so not consider. Next one, what are some tasks that a drone will perform? A drone will deliver medicines to villages in the hills. It will count tigers in a forest and help in protecting them. It will photograph the hidden corners of our planet and deliver food also, like biryani from restaurant. Okay, and books to different places. Like drones will carry books from the library to Iqbal's house. Okay. Next one, our question. Why should we make rules that stop drones from flying everywhere? We make rules. We should make rules to stop drones from flying everywhere. Why? To prevent accidents. Okay. Next, fourth one. Maybe someday soon you will meet a drone. Do you want to meet one? Yes, maybe someday soon you will meet a drone. Maybe I will meet or we will meet drone. Do you want to meet on one? Yes, of course. I want to meet drone. I am very excited to meet drone. Okay, to see how it's looking. Okay, drone. Yes, what is a drone? Drone is a machine. It can fly. It can carry different type foods, parcels, and give medicines on a hill. Thank you, kids.